In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a design in Figma. Whether you're walking someone through an interactive prototype or delivering a polished slide deck, Figma makes it simple to present with confidence. I'll show you how to prep your work, how to launch a full-screen presentation, and a few tips to keep everything running smoothly. Let's start with interactive prototypes. If your file includes flows, animations, or click-through interactions, you'll want to make sure each screen lives inside a frame. Frames act like device screens and tell Figma exactly where the boundaries are. Next, set up your prototype connections and define a starting frame so Figma knows where the experience begins. This ensures your audience moves through the design the way you intended. Before you go full screen, click Preview in the top toolbar to test your prototype inside the editor. This is the best place to catch broken links, odd transitions, or timing issues. When everything feels right, click Present in the top right of the toolbar to launch a full-screen presentation that looks and feels like a real app or website. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, use Command plus Option plus Enter on Mac or Control plus Alt plus Enter on Windows. Your prototype will open in a separate tab with interactive hotspots ready to go. You can move through screens using the on-screen arrows or your keyboard arrow keys. This keeps the focus on the experience, not the interface. If you plan to present where internet might be spotty, preload the prototype while you're online and toggle. Make available offline from the Options menu so it keeps running without interruptions. Now, if you're giving a talk, leading a review, or sharing a narrative, Figma Slides is a great fit. You can build a slide deck from scratch in Figma Slides, or convert an existing Figma file into slides. Add your content, then include presenter notes to keep your delivery crisp and consistent. When you're ready to present, click Present in the right sidebar. Choose the mode that fits your setup. Present for a clean full-screen viewer, or Present plus Notes to see your speaker notes in one window while your audience sees only the slides in another. To share with viewers who aren't in the room, copy the presentation link and send it so they can follow along in their own browser. And if your talk includes interactions, you can embed prototypes directly into your slides to keep everything in one seamless flow. That's it. Prep your frames and flows for prototypes, or build a clear, note-supported deck with Figma Slides. Test once, present with confidence, and let the work shine.